Hello, what's up? Uh, got these spurs here that are mounted. I got to overlay, which is basically, this is all high heat. What I've got to do now is overlay pieces on top of the silver that I have put down already. It's called overlay. Basically what you have is the spur, the flower, and then I have my dot. They're copper. They're already tin. I've put the high heat silver on the backs of those. So that's it. So I got my torch. Down to business. And I'll just heat that up. Pretty simples. This is gonna melt at 12. This is gonna flow at 1200 degrees, so it's gonna turn black. I only flux the center of this. Everything around where the dot's going is only in the center. I just put the flux on the center where I want my copper dot to go, and I'll put the heat on that so it starts to flow. I've bent this a little bit with a curvature in it so it'll contour with that. It's a little bigger dot for the center of the flower. And then you see it's turning clear. It's getting about bueno for me to put this on. So this is kind of hard. I normally want to put that in my little vise, and I should have done that. I'll stick it up there. It'll slide down while I get that pick, and then I'll hold that pick. I'll put it where I want these in the center. Yes, too close to my mustache. It burns it. So now I'll put pressure on that and hold that dot down tight, like I'm just pushing straight down on it. And it's starting to get red hot. See the silver flow out. Come over here and remove it. That's it. Basically, that's it. That's all it takes. But basically, I can get it back to. I want to talk about flow. It's flowing. You see, it's getting clear. Now it flows around. That's it. Listo. Ready. Now I'll put that in the. Ow, hurt my ear. Hurt my ear. That's it. That's slow heat. I'm sorry, high heat. It's very hot on that side. That's copper on top of silver. That's overlay. I call it overlay. It may be something else. That's it, man. We'll put it in the acid. You see what color it is? Give me one momento. Sing to yourself. Sing a song. I coming. I'll be right there. Watch my mount before I mount these spurs for me. Watch it so it don't go away. Keep watching the spur mount where I got my silvers. It's cold today. It was hot yesterday and cold today. Just wipe all that down. That's what the acid does. Brings it right back, baby. Gets all that off. Then now I'll go over there and get my gray wheel and clean all that up where you can see it. And get on the wire wheel and shine that baby up, and then go to the polisher and go through all my polishing and get everything mirror finished and pretty and shiny, and then I'll put my swingers in. That's how I do it. I don't put my swingers on until I get all that polished, mainly because I used to do it after but sometimes that'll hang in the polish wheel and sling that spur into the wall or into me. I've had it taken a bit from me and come back around and slap me in the chest. That hurt pretty bad. I had one come back around and slap me in the hand. That didn't feel good for a couple of days. It's mucho dangerous, these work. But that's it. I've got a little bit of scale in there. You can see the black scale in the middle. Simple Green will get that out if you let it soak in there. You scrub it out. It will take it out. But there was some fire scale around the edges here. When I heated that back up, it softened it up, took it back to original liquid state, and when I put it in the acid, that was it. It flaked out. Kind of like a crazy woman, it flaked out. So, anyways, that's it. That's all this is high heat. Damn, I got cold. All this is high heat, man. Everything on here, from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. The flowers. When I engrave that out, it'll be leaves, etched. Give that accent. Make the sunflower here look like the flower row. So that's that one. And then I'll do the same on the other one. Real quick for you, before you get too long. I'm running out of oxygen. I'm going to get some oxygen tomorrow. I'm about out. 25 miles. It's ready. Here, let me show you. This is going to get dizzy. Come with me. Watch these. What's bubbling up. I want the bubbles to clear. This is high heat, not low heat. You see all the residue? I can't even see it. There's a little residue all around, coming up around the corners of that. Starting to bubble. When it starts to go clear, hang on, I have to drop these. Sorry, I'd be dizzy. I'm holding this with my other hand. It takes mucho talent to do these. It's not going fast enough. I'll turn that booger up a little bit. What is the heat of these things? Delay. Took it too long. Or if it's taking too long, come here and just clean it up. Clean it up just a little bit. Now it's ready. Keep my heat on it though. I'll get my piece. It's ready. I'll put it up at the top and let it. Sometimes it'll slide down when it gets hot. Put it there. Sorry, I know entertaining. It's boring. They say it's better than the Cheney videos. I've never seen those. Wait a minute. Damn it. Oh, here. As you see. If it won't move on me, you can see the, there you see it bubbling out if you can. There, it's bubbling. Going back on top. It'll clear up and make it look solid. And that is it. Success. Yes. Yeah. Do it. That's it. That's going to be a good ring. It's going to be good rings. We'll dump it in acid. Oh, right. See that it's black. It looks, see, it's getting hot. Crackle pop. Hello, peoples. Water, rinse off. Thank you for watching my torch for me. Keeping it safe. Get up and walk away. That one's starting to rust already. I need to hurry up and get it polished out. I like to hurry. I usually do one at a time, but for the video, I go polish them out so they don't start rusting immediately. That one's starting to rust. This one getting wipe off. It's almost like a new. Copper overlay. There's it. Dos chichis. Blingo, blingo, chingo, blingo. Dineros. These are going to be badass. Anyways, that's it. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss if you got little kids watching. Sorry about that. Don't say bad words, little kids. Mind your mom and dads. Or mind your moms, or mind your dads, whoever. Don't say bad words. Anyways, I hope that helps a little. I mean, it's just, these are little things. It's part of the process. And those, the more I look at those, I didn't realize about these spurs, but now I'm looking at them at a distance. They look pretty cool. These are one of my ideas that I came up with, just sitting around here thinking. Like, what can I, something different. I hadn't seen nothing like that. I mean, I've seen some things, but just kind of a shank with a, kind of looks like a flower, leaves and scrolls coming up, with buds opening up, and then you'll have a flower, something different. And then another idea I had, which I got to put the copper dots on these 1-inch bands. These are pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. These are gonna sound like. So one side, I'm gonna put the copper dot in the middle. The other side. These will be at Abilene, Texas. That's it. Talk to y'all later. Adios.